Hey friends, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Salwa's Delicious Kitchen. I really hope you all are doing great. And today, let me bring to you a very quick recipe which is super delicious, and that is Chikmagalur mutton biryani. Chikmagalur is a place in Karnataka and they are very famous for their biryani, which looks like a pulao but then tastes super yum. This is learned from my friend. Thank you Manas for the recipe. I love the way she makes. So today you'll be learning the same recipe. And for those who are new to my channel, welcome. I really hope you all subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon so that you do not miss any of my upcoming uploads. And all the ingredients of the recipe will be given at the description box below, so please check it out from there. So let's quickly start without wasting any time. So at the beginning, I always love to marinate the mutton before going into any pulao or biryani. So this was an additional step I do than what her recipe says. And here I have added ginger garlic paste, a little bit of extra ingredient that was crushed black pepper, and yogurt, 2 tablespoons of yogurt to this recipe. Marinate this for an hour or even for a while, that's okay, but before adding to the biryani. But here this mutton I had marinated almost for around 2 hours. And now let's pressure cook this with some water, and later we can use the stock for the rice too. So here I have just added the water and pressure cooked for 3 whistles. And here let's begin with the process of making the biryani. In a large non-stick pot, I have taken oil and then added some nicely sliced onions. These are around 5 large onions, and once you can see they are translucent, you need to be quite patient as they are a lot of onions. Here you're adding around 9 to 10 green chilies. My green chilies are nice spicy Indian green chilies. You can add according to your choice. And here, as you can see, I have also added a little bit of salt so that it can speed in the process of caramelizing the onions. And here lots and lots of herbs. This was a bunch of mint leaves, that is pudina, and 1 big bunch of methi leaves, the fenugreek, and 1 bunch of coriander leaves. These herbs when fried gives the amazing flavor, which doesn't, this methi leaves, as it doesn't go in any other biryani. This is what the special ingredient of this biryani. And as you can see, I have added around 4 large tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, which was freshly made, and lots of tomatoes. There were 5 large tomatoes, and once these all were fried well, and you can see the oils on the sides, I've added a tablespoon of red chili powder, that was Kashmiri red chili powder, and home ground allspice, that is garam masala, 1 tablespoon, a little bit of pepper powder, that was my extra ingredient, and the turmeric as it says. And here my mutton was cooked. It's actually well cooked. I love when mutton is extra cooked in this recipe. And here is this jeera kasala rice, which we say the normal very small fragrant rice what we use in this recipe. And here I have added the cooked mutton from the pressure cooker to the masala. And here I added 2 cups of the mutton stock what I had, the water in which we cooked mutton, and then remaining would be the normal water. Like this was 4 cups of rice, so I have added around 6 cups of water. Here you just have to wait till the water boils, and once it boils well, you just have to add the washed and drained rice to this. Give a good mix and close the lid, and around almost 70% done the rice is. You can just using a spatula, just make sure you don't break the rice, and just give a good mix so that all the oil and the spices are done. Here you can see this was just before 5 minutes when it was completely done. The rice is you can see it's still wet, and here this is 100% done now. It's dried. I mean, make sure there's no trace of water, and the perfect quantity of water to be added to the rice so that your rice does not turn sticky. And here it's plated on the plate, and you can see the rice is not sticky at all. So wasn't that a easy and a quick biryani recipe? So this Chikmagalur biryani, you all will love it and keep making it again and again. So do give it a try, guys. So coming to our extra points, in case you don't get the fresh methi leaves, you can always use the kasuri methi instead of it. And do follow me on Instagram and share the pictures you have tried from my channel. I'd love to share it on my feed. Do not forget to tag me there on Salwa's Delicious Kitchen. And I really hope you all have subscribed my channel till now. If not, please do. And thank you so much for watching. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.